Once upon a time, there was a lovely little girl called Little Red Riding Hood, or people called her
Reddie, I got something for you, darling.
Yes, what is it, Nanny?
Here, a present for you.
Alright, sure. It's adorable. Thanks, Nanny.
Little Reddie, remember to always be careful with Wolf.
I remember that, Nanny.
One day, little Reddie and her mom planned to go visit Granny with a basket of goodies.
Let's go, Mom. Let's go, dear.
On their way to the Granny's house, they met the woodcutter.
Oh, hi, woodcutter.
Oh, hi little Reddie. Where are you two going?
Well, we are going to Granny's house. It's been a long time since we last time visited her.
I see. Have you heard of the wolf?
You mean the wolf that eats human? Oh dear.
Yes, he is dangerous. He eats human and other innocent animals. Please call for help immediately if you saw him. And please be careful.
We will, woodcutter. Thank you so much and have a nice day. See you next time, woodcutter.
See you soon.
And with that, little Reddie and her mom continued their journey to the Granny's house. On their way, they met Mama Bear and Baby Bear.
Hello.
Hi, Mama Bear. Hi, Baby Bear. How are you two doing today?
Good, we just got back from apple farm. Now we are going to bake an apple pie. Okay, right, baby bear?
Hey, Mama.
I cannot wait to eat Mom's apple pie. Come and join us, Red.
Oh, I wish I could, Baby Bear, but I'm going to visit my nanny today. Well, perhaps next time we could bake and eat together.
That's a good idea. Oh, speaking of apple pie, please be careful with the wolf. He stole our apple pie last week.
Yes, he stole our apple pie fresh from the oven.
Oh dear, what a nasty wolf. Do you know what does the wolf looks like?
Yes, he has small figure, big appetite, big ears, and red eyes.
Yes, last time he was caught stealing apple from the apple farm, which is going to.
Yes, the wolf ate my pet, little Timmy the dog. I miss him so much.
Oh, we are so sorry to hear that. We will remember that, Mama Bear. Thanks for reminding us. Bye, Mama Bear. Bye, Baby Bear.
Bye.
The two then continued their journey. That was their second warning, but they tried to shrug it off. Soon after, they made it to Granny's house.
Nanny, we are here. Nanny?
Mom, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine, just a little cold.
You sound so weird, Nanny.
Oh, that's because of the cold. Don't worry.
Why your stomach is so big, Nanny?
Oh, that's because I ate a lot of apple pie. I ate so much. My stomach is so big.
The two, even though not really convinced, they shrugged it off.
Well, Mom, we brought you some goodies, so make sure to eat them before taking your meds, alright? Oh wait, I left the stuff out at the house. Where are you going, Mom? To the house. See you with your granny, alright? Thank you, Mom. Goodbye. Is your stomach hurting, Nanny?
Oh, I'm fine.
Why your eyes are so green, Nanny?
Well, I rubbed my eyes a little bit too hard just now.
What with those ears, Nanny?
This is my other ears.
But that looks like a wolf ears, Nanny.
That's because I am the wolf.
Aha! I knew it!
What the? Why do a little girl like you have an axe?
Yes, I'm not just a little girl. I'm the secret agent from the Scarlet Bay organization. Well, nice to meet you.
Secret agent? What?
Yes, now you are under arrest for stealing apple pie from Mama Bear and Baby Bear, eating innocent human, and threatening the peace of the village.
Hold on a sec. What in the world is going on?
Did you forget to introduce us, Reddie?
Oh yeah, Mr. Wolf. Introducing my colleagues, they are also secret agent like me, so which means you are now surrounded.
Hands in the air! Woof!
I am already. Can someone tell me what in the world is going on here?
We will, once we put you in the cage where you belong.
No!
Nanny? Nanny, you can come out now.
Good job, dear.
Indeed, I see now the escape in handy. Yep, it's all thanks to Nanny for giving this to me.
Oh, enough with that. Let's have some apple pie and maybe we could go practice archery at the park after this.
And with that, the three of them proceed to continue their day like nothing ever happened. Little did anyone know, these quiet days of baking and archery were the backbone of keeping the village safe. A hidden harmony only they could maintain. The end.
Going to bake an apple pie today, right, baby bear? Yeah, Mama. Yes.
I am the wolf.
1, 2.
Aha! I knew it!
Secret agent? What?
Hands in the air. Hands in the air. Woof!
Nanny? Nanny, you can come out now.
HPC 2013 Roleplay is a